Hello students, welcome to online classes. Today we are going to learn our first poem of the unit 3, Sleep Baby Sleep. Students, before learning the meaning of the poem, first we all going to sing this poem. I am going to sing this poem. You just join me. Okay? So let's start to sing. Let's sing. La 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 la. Sleep, baby, sleep. Your father herds his sheep. Your mother shakes the little tree from which fall pretty dreams on thee. Sleep, baby, sleep. Sleep, baby, sleep. La 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 la. Sleep, baby, sleep. The heavens are white with sheep, for they are lamps, those stars so bright, and the moon shepherds of the night. Sleep, baby, sleep. Sleep, baby, sleep. La 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 la. Sleep, baby, sleep. And I will give thee a sheep, which with its golden bale shall be a little playfellow for thee. Sleep, baby, sleep. Sleep, baby, sleep. La 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 la. Sleep, baby, sleep, and bleat not like a sheep, or else the shepherd's angry dog will come and bite my naughty robe. Sleep, baby, sleep. Sleep, baby, sleep. La 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 la. Sleep, baby, sleep. Go out and herd the sheep. Go out, you barking black dog. Go and waken not my baby so. Sleep, baby, sleep. Sleep, baby, sleep. Sleep, baby, sleep. Sleep, baby, sleep. Students, already you know many types of the songs like patriotic song, romantic song, title song, ballad, sad song, and other than it. Here in this poem, we are going to see a type of a song that is a lullaby. Lullaby means a song that sing by the mother to make her child to close its eyes and sleep. And in this poem, the mother uses various types of the ideas. So first we are going to see the first stanza. In the first stanza, mother is trying to create a pleasant picture to make her baby sleep, and for that she tells her child that his father is herd his sheep. It means he takes care of his sheep, and mother also ready to shake the little tree. Because of that, the pretty dreams will came and fall on her child. Okay, this is the meaning of the first stanza. In the second stanza, mother describes the night as in the beautiful manner. She tells her child that the ships which are looking so white are compared with the bright stars, and also the lamps and the stars are compared with each other In this, she also tells that or describe the moon as the shepherds of the stars. Okay. In the third stanza, the mother also try to make sleep to her child, and for that she promised for the gift. Which type of the gift? She tells her child that if her child would be sleep, then she will give him the sheep, not only the sheep but also with the golden bell, the sheep with the golden bell. Then this child can play with the golden bell with that sheep. In this way, she tried to make her child sleep. In first three stanzas, the mother is trying to make sleep her child in loving way. But when this child is not ready to sleep on that time, she also threatens him. And in the threaten manner, she tells the child that if you are not sleeping, if you not sleep, then I bleat like the sheep. On that time, I will call the shepherd's angry dog, and that dog will come and bite you. Okay, it will bite you, you naughty rock, so you just sleep. To remove the threat and make her child to feel safe, the mother also tells the black barking dog to go outside and herd the sheep and not waken my lovely child. Make him sleep with the safeness. In this way, in this poem, the mother make her child to sleep in loving manner. Also sometimes she treat him but with love, and on the same time also make him feel safe. Okay, so this is the meaning of the poem.